Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Professional van 130 PS needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,744. MOT, 1 August 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, air con.